Hi everybody, this is Rashmika Mandana and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
It's wonderful to have ravishing Rashmika Mandana with us. She's got this massive appeal all across the world, and her movie Pushpa is coming up, and it's hopefully going to be huge. Pleasure having you back with us, Rashmika.
So lovely to meet you again, sir.
All right, so how does it feel? The movie is releasing tomorrow.
I know the nervousness, the excitement, the feeling of proudness. I think everything, it's a roller coaster of emotions right now. For me, the whole team, I'm sure. I'm meeting the team in a couple of minutes, I think, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen.
All right, one thing that I was thinking about while I was coming for this interview today, that so you're having this huge expectation, these huge expectations are there from you for you being the national crush, and at any event, during any interviews whatsoever, people expect you to be this cute, bubbly self, which I think is not possible at all points of time.
Right.
So does it in a way put pressure on you, or like how do you deal with it?
I think I just deal with it by being real as possible. If I'm bubbly, if I'm excited, I'll show that I'm excited. Otherwise, if I feel calm, I'll show that I feel calm. Or I'm quite open about how I feel and how I talk and what I talk about. So yeah, pressure not as much, because I feel like, well, people change, so you just have to get used to the change. If today I'm talking so calmly, is because of the constant running around that we've been doing since a couple of days, and it's not possible for me to be, hey, what's up, and that be faking it, and I don't like to do so. So right. I think I just keep it as real.
That is fascinating. So you're extremely young, and it's absolutely fine to be ambitious, which you are. But at the same time, what I personally feel that you tend to strike a balance in terms of what you are as a person. How important is it for you to strike that balance somehow?
I think...
And not to get swayed by so much of attention that is there all the time.
Correct. I don't know how, but since my first film, like when the film release happens, my team comes and tells me, ma'am, after this film, you're going to go there, ma'am. You're going to go here, ma'am. People are going to love you. And my friends keep changing, keep saying that after this film, though, I'm sure you'll change. After this, because they realize how much more responsibility there is and how much more, fame and name and everything around it comes. So I don't know, somehow I think as much as I'm attached to what I do, I'm detached from it. Like when I go back home, I'm this girl who has no fame, no nothing. At home, I'm just a daughter,
Of course.
But when I go out there, I'm Rashmika. So I think we play all these different roles in our lives. But I've somehow, as a personality, character, I think myself strike balance out of everything that I do. I set curfews to myself, I set balance to myself. I think that's the kind of a person I am.
Right.
So, yeah.
And you also have a sister who's growing very fast.
Yeah, she's 6 years, she's 8 years old, but she's in the 3rd standard now.
Right. So I think that is another
very cute, no?
Right. Of course. So I think I'm sure that you look forward to seeing her grow as well.
She's coming back home in 2 days. Her holidays, Christmas holidays start in 2 days apparently. So my parents and her are going to watch the film once she gets out of the hostel. Right. And I hope I get at least 1 day so that I can fly back home and see her face and come back. But otherwise, she calls us every Friday evening. So I spend half an hour with her on call, but I really miss her.
No, I'm sure. All right, and so when I saw the promo of Pushpa, the first thing that I noticed as far as your character is concerned, it's the body language. There is certain different approach as far as the way you're projecting yourself. Was it conscious? Was it the director who asked you to do that, or how was it? Even your makeup, for example, your eye makeup. I think it's something very well defined and different.
Yeah, I think when you transform yourself into the character. Like every day you go, you know what your scenes, you get the makeup done and the hair done, and you have different body mannerisms that you're maintaining for this character, and everything just blends in. Like the way you talk, the way you walk, the way you behave, the way you look, the way you emote, everything changes into that character. So I think this sort of creativity, I think that's what is, because I think creativity is just magic, and it's just magic when you think of a character, like there's so many people thinking so much about this character and you make it come alive.
Right.
And it's so different from who you are. You know, so that's where the magic lies. And I think with this film, I would say it's extremely different from the person I am
Right,
in
of
real.
course.
The way she talks, because of course we had to learn the dialect and the slang, and all of that hard work went into it. And the way, the mannerism she has, it's very minute, but there are, like, we worked hard for those, but it's not like on the face. It's just something she's doing, but you don't know what she's doing, but she's doing something, you can see it. That and the makeup and the hair, the amount of hard work my team's gone through, even the costumes, it's just been madness. But you can see it on screen when you enter into that whole different world.
Right. No, of course, definitely. And the sort of film it's become this pan-India film, releasing in so many languages. And your persona, your character is going to be there now for a long time. So how do you prepare for something of this nature, that to make something so well defined that it stays with people?
I think this is all credits to the director, and as I think everybody knows, I'm a very director's baby. I want to know what the director wants out of me, and I love it when director pushes me to do something which is beyond me. Like, I never knew I could do a character like Srivalli, but here I am sitting like Srivalli, you know, sitting as Srivalli. So I think I love to work with directors who push my potential. I think it is something that like regarding Srivalli, I think it's something the director had seen. And if you watch the film, I think people have just seen one bit in the trailer, but when you see the film, you know how bold she is and how confident she is with her own body, and she is to the ground. Her character is close to the earth, like, you know, it's not down to earth, it's like literally close. You know, she loves her land, she loves her, you know, her everything. Like, I can't explain, but it's just one of those really core characters, and I'm so proud that I could do it with a director like Sukumar. Because there's a performance, there's a reality, there's you know, this character, there's strength, there's power, it's crazy.
You having Sami Sami, the song has already become a chartbuster. Is it one of the biggest songs of your career so far?
I think it's the song that I've worked hardest in my career.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, biggest also, because one, I honestly could not have believed that I've done Sami Sami like that. I think Allu Arjun sir, in fact, for every frame that was on close of mine, he would sit there and sort of tell me what you know, he felt was right for the, you know, song and the film and everything. So he was there. Like, even if he wasn't in the song, he'd be present for my shot, and he'd constantly keep telling me, no, this works, this doesn't work, that. And that I've never had in my career. No co-actors come and, you know, sat on behind the screen while I was performing. So it was an extreme learning journey, but at the same time, it was fascinating for me to actually see something like this, and which actually got me closer to Allu Arjun sir as a person, I think.
Of course. And there have been events that you've been part of. The fans are going crazy. You've showed your concern for the fans if any of them they got injured. So when you work with Allu Arjun from close quarters, and when you see the way fans or people respond to him, what does it tell you about his stardom? Because, you know, it is so interesting that some of the biggest stars they're coming from down south right now. Be it
Right.
Rajni sir, be it Allu Arjun for example, be it Vijay or Mohanlal sir,
Yeah.
Fahad Fasil for sure.
I think back in my college days, I've watched his films on theatre, and of course, we all have been watching his brilliant work, and his films have made such big impact on all of us. And suddenly, you're working in this film with him. So I'm like, how did this happen first? And secondly, with that comes equal responsibility. Now you have to live up to, a star like that. He's already achieved so much, so you have to be a good wall that he throws a ball and it can bounce off. Like he's told me that my reaction, like my action, is just my reaction. So you need to be equally good enough to give so that he can react of well, like all the performances are mixed, it's close knitted. So I think in the whole process, somewhere in that 1 year, I could not have thought of him for all his work he had done all those years, like I had to see him as just Pushpa.
Right.
And suddenly, when I'm here promoting and I see this massive crowd where people are breaking things, where people are hurting themselves and coming to watch just to get a sight of him, it just made me go back a step and realize ki, oh my God, I'm actually working with a star, because till now you're working with Pushpa and suddenly you're here with Allu Arjun, so it's very different.
Right.
But at the same time, huge respect for a star like that who, is so genuine at heart, who lets you get comfortable with him, who lets you learn so much from him. And I think I keep saying ki if I have to do 100 films with him, I wouldn't mind one bit. I would love to do those films.
No,
with
of
him.
course. And you're having Fahad Fasil in the film as well. So, I genuinely believe that a good actor will create such a strong impact even if he's having one song, maybe in the one
Correct,
scene
correct.
in the promo, and that's what he does.
Correct.
That just moment, and you're thinking, and you rewind and you watch it again, that what exactly was that expression all about?
Yeah,
and he's
yeah.
that sort of actor, and he's a huge star, especially in Malayalam cinema, and of course, his fan following is all across India and even overseas for sure. What is it about Fahad Fasil that makes him such a fascinating actor and cerebral too?
I think, like when I watch his work, I look at his eyes. Like when his poster came out, I was looking at his eyes. I think he sort of lives in his eyes. I don't know, like he has this, like according to me, of course, I'm nobody to say, but when I see it, I'm like, he is doing something, but eyes are showing everything. With his face, he's doing something, but his eyes are speaking, and I don't know how much you need to train yourself to get to that, but it's brilliant. Like it's brilliant, no matter what character, no matter where, no matter how, no matter what scene, no matter who you're performing with, he's playing all those characters just in his eyes, and I'm like, my God, this man is brilliant. And I'm just like, I don't care what, but in my life, one film I will do with this man. Not for me, but just to learn. Like, that's going to be my coaching time, I'm just going to be sitting and I'm just going to be staring like this. I hope that happens. But in Pushpa, like you said, a party leda Pushpa, just that one line, even me, I am a fan of him as well, of his work, and I'm like, okay, how did he say that? What was it? I'm so curious. But I've heard so much about Fafa sir from Bunny sir, that his work ethic, how he works, and from the team, of course, because all of us were so excited to have him on board. And yeah, I'm just waiting to see the film myself.
Right, and your last film, I think, was with Mahesh Babu,
Yes.
and that was a huge success. Alu's last film was Ala Vaikuntapuram Lu. That was a huge success as well. Tomorrow, I believe theaters are going to turn into stadiums, and it's going to be one packed.
They're in for a treat, though.
Yes. So, Are you looking forward to watching the crowd reactions?
Yes, I love watching my films with my audience. That's where you get the core reaction key, what it is.
Right.
It's going to be very exciting. Like you said, it's going to turn into stadiums because that's the power this film holds, and I'm sure it's going to be a mass party, and I can't wait to be in this party together.
So Rashmika, we've taken a few fan questions of yours, and
Okay.
let's see what your fans are saying. This is
Aw.
Anisha from Odisha. Can you please ask her how she handles online trolling and still remains unaffected? This is an art and she mastered it, and we want to know how.
Ooh, my God, my love. Okay, how do I handle it? It did take me a couple of years to get to where I am today, but right now I think I think I'm more confident with myself. I think I'm confident with myself because of all my audience, all the loves of my life. And you guys make me happy. You guys make me stay focused, stay motivated, stay sane. So I think all my credits for all of the handling that I'm doing on social media goes to my fans, because I know I have a hard shield. Yeah, you guys are my shield, you guys are my happiness. So
This is Saikat from Kolkata. He calls you Rushi.
so cute.
A big fan of you. I know you played very well at all the characters from very first, but I think you play the Sirivali as the most challenging character after Lily from Dear Comrade. What do you think?
I absolutely agree. All the characters I've been doing so far, I sort of feel like they're relevant to the actual character that I am. Lily was one of the closest characters to my heart, but now I think with Srivalli, I'm experimenting to levels that are just beyond me, and Srivalli is going to be extremely exciting. You're going to see a different angle of Rashmika, and I hope you like that as well.
Rushi.
Roshi, thank you.
Nimish S. Kaushik from Mysore. Rashmika, very happy for your success and lot more special things to come. I'm there with you, supporting and cheering from Kirik Party. Question, can we expect a female-centric movie in coming years?
Ooh, yes, of course. For you, I will do. No, but honestly, I think a lot of my fans, a lot of my co-actors, and a lot of people who I've been working with have been constantly putting it in my head ki I think you need to do a film which is just your own, just for your soul, and I can't agree with them more. I think now I have so much love that I want to sort of give that back very personally. So yes, I will do a female-centric film in my near future. You'll hear.
Or maybe like a web show. Because that is something that is very exciting these days as well. This is Yash from Bangalore. Hi Rashmika, your performance in Sami song is mind-blowing. How hard was it to shoot for that song?
Extremely, extremely. The locations, the makeup, the hair, the expressions, the sensuality, the everything, it's been really hard because that is something I've never done before. But now I think I'm a pro. But I've been coached by really amazing people, got wonderful music to dance to from DSP. I had Bunny sir, who was constantly telling me what looks right, because I've never done it before, so I can't judge myself. I needed someone's support, and he was there. Sukku sir for giving me Srivalli, of course. Shekhar Master, who's choreographed this song. And like the DOP Kuba, who's shot this thing so beautifully. I just have to give credits to everybody. I'm sorry, but yes, it's by far the most hardworking song that I've done.
No, but I think you're looking terrific, and I think it's a team effort ultimately.
Yes,
But
yes.
they couldn't have done it without you, for sure. Hi Rashmika, my name is Shiva from Hyderabad. Please tell when you work with Prabhas.
Prabhas, I have no idea. He is busy. I think he's busy for the next 3-4 years. So I think after 4-5 years, I'll work with him. But I would love to, of course.
All right, this is Layak from Vijayawada, which was the most toughest part for Rashmika in whole movie. How challenging was it for Rashmika to learn and dub in Chittor Tirupati accent?
Tirupati accent. Learning before shooting, we had to learn for I think almost 2-3 weeks. No, 2-3 months actually. I learned how much was necessary for my film. Otherwise, by now I think I'd be speaking in Chittor slang only if I didn't learn only for the film. But shooting also was quite tricky. But dubbing was the hardest. Like I think all of us, dubbing was the hardest because they have their own tonality. You can't like dub for one line and shift to the next. You have to do the whole paragraph again.
Of course.
Because you have to not lose the flow of it. So it was really hard, but I really hope it's come out well. I haven't watched the film yet, so I'll be watching it with you.
Nikhil from Vizag. At a very young age, you've seen both sides of a coin, extremities of popularity and criticism. How did you handle all that?
Crying myself to bed. No, I'm kidding. No, actually, I used to. But that was back in the day. I think when you get older, you get wiser and you get to handle things smoother.
Ayush from Hyderabad, while shooting in forest area for a long time, how was your experience spending your time there? That's a good question.
No network. Hard to reach out to your family. If something goes wrong, your team, your caravan is like 1 kilometer away, your teams are 1 kilometer away. It was hard. But I think it's part of what you got to do. You got to do what you got to do, and it was one of that. And more than me, I think the whole team had stayed in the forest for over almost 90-100 days. So for me, it was okay. You should ask them. They've done real hard work, so it's been crazy for them.
All right, so this is Akhil from Hyderabad. My projected net worth after 20 years is 163 crores after tax. Let's get married.
Well, send the papers in. Come meet my parents. Well, why not?
20 years after 163 crores. All right. Okay, this is Money from Patna. This is one more question that I'm taking. What is the secret behind your energy? You keep going back and forth to different cities in one day, and yet the smile on your face never fades away. How do you do this?
You. As in, why do we go to different cities to meet you? Why do we work so hard to make you happy? Why are we this happy? Because you've made us happy. So for me, the reason is you.
This is Sandesh from Hubli. We know lots of differences between Rashmika and Srivalli, but is there any similarities between Rashmika and Srivalli? That's a good question.
That's a really good question.
It's from Hubli.
I'm trying to play all the scenes now. No. Maybe one thing, I think, after thinking so much, maybe one thing that she's jolly. She's open about being jolly person. And I think Srivalli is also open about being jolly person. She openly likes and openly dislikes. And I openly like, I don't openly dislike. So
Oh, that's interesting.
yeah. So yeah, I think that one similarity.
Rashmika, we'll end this interview with a rapid fire with you.
Okay.
When you heard the script of Pushpa for the first time, what was your immediate first reaction in, say, one word or sentence?
I wanted to be a part of a different world.
What were you absolutely surprised to discover about Allu Arjun while shooting for Pushpa?
What a gem of a guy he is. His take on life.
In just one sentence, how would you make the best appeal to audiences to watch Pushpa in theatres?
You're going to enter into a whole different world. You're not going to find, as actors, you're going to find characters and you'll be surprised. Oh, that wasn't
right.
one sentence, but please put commas.
It's more or less one concept. If Srivalli meets Rashmika today, what she'd find fascinating about her?
Why are you so quiet? I think Srivalli is just loud. Why are you so quiet? Okay, I think Srivalli wouldn't talk to Rashmika only. Srivalli wouldn't look at Rashmika only, I think.
Why?
Because Rashmika is more quiet, okay, happy person, but Srivalli is like loud. She's out there. So she'd be busy with doing all the other things that she'd not even mind doing.
Which character you think you're closest to from Friends?
I'm a good mixture of Rachel and Monica.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how important are awards in your life?
5, 6.
5, 6.
I think people's love is, it's a good mixture of both of them. Yeah.
And do critic reviews matter?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Well, I would like to know if someone says there's some flaw in my performance or in the film, so that next time I could probably better it.
A performance of yours you think you deserved an award for but you didn't get?
I don't know. I think the most hardworking. Oh well, Srivali. It's still not released, so.
Which film you think was the biggest turning point in your career?
Geeta Govindam. I think that was Kirik Party was my debut. Got me into the industry. Geeta Govindam in the industry got me into a different part of it all.
How you don't let yourself get typecast in this industry?
Being experimental, I think as many films I do, I try to do as different characters as possible and different kind of films that I'm a part of. And yeah.
Okay, which celebrity you'd love to say following things to? How does it feel to be such a huge star in the country?
Amitabh Bachchan.
And you're working with them.
Yeah.
People love our chemistry a lot. We should collaborate again.
Allu Arjun sir.
How did you feel when you met me for the first time?
Siddharth Malhotra.
Siddharth Malhotra. Okay, all right. Complete the following sentences. I'd like to be remembered as someone who.
I'd like to remember as someone who was real, genuine, and someone who is happy.
What makes Allu Arjun different and special from all my other co-stars is his?
Take on life. I think I've said that too many times. Like, I like to listen when he speaks.
Allu Arjun's romance or Allu Arjun's action?
It's Pushpa and Srivali, so of course romance for me.
Geet Govindam or Dear Comrade?
Oh, hell no, you can't do this. To my character, oh, I can't do it. Even characters I can't do. I don't know. Pass.
No deserts for a year or no Instagram for a year?
No Instagram for a year. You think I can survive one day without deserts?
What is your favorite desert?
I think deserts with fans. Oh, that would be a better way. I don't know. I just like even sugar, sweet. Like even a fruit would make my day, I think.
Right.
But I have a bad sweet tooth. I love my chocolates and my ice creams and the desserts.
And you make sure that you don't miss your workout even if you're traveling.
Exactly why I have to work out twice a day now, because I can't stop myself from desserts. Hi everybody, this is Rashmika Mandana and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.